Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This is July 2019's Boxycharm. I haven't done an unboxing in a while because I've been so behind on everything. But let's see what is in here. I have already opened it. Oh my gosh. This is what the box looks like. So the first thing in here that I see, $10 for a flash facial at any Ulta skin bar. And then you have the card with all of the info and products on the back of it. This month's theme is all natural. It's actually a really cute, like I love this print so much. It's so cute. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here that I'm actually super excited about, this is the Elemis, don't know if that's how you say it, Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This retails for $35. It says get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I love testing out face masks, so when we get them in Boxycharm, I'm all about it. This retails for $35, which is already more than I paid for the box, so already winning there. The next thing I see in here, these are Luxie, some word I'm not going to try to say because we don't need to hear me slaughter it. But this is a brush set. Oh, it's so cute. Look how cute these brushes are. Okay, look at these handles. They're like little wood handles. They're adorable. We've actually gotten so many brushes from Luxie. I enjoy the ones from Luxie, but I do have to say that a lot of the ones that we get are kind of weird ones that I don't end up using. Like, I hate foundation brushes like this, but I've seen a ton of people using them for a mask brush, so definitely gonna do that with that brush. This brush is the large eye blending brush, and that is a weird shape. It's very large. I mean, look how big that is. That's really big. I don't know if I would use that on the eye. And then also the precision crease brush, which you can never have too many packing brushes, I feel like. I use a lot of them, so I like having a lot on hand. The next thing in here, this is the Butter London. Oh my gosh, this palette is so cute. The packaging is to die for. That's adorable. I love that so much. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this retails for $32. Oh, that brush set retails for $30. So this is what the palette looks like. So it looks like these 4 right here are shimmers, and then these 2 are the only mattes, which is sort of annoying. I would have rather had maybe 3 shimmers, 1 really good transition shade, then you had these 2 deepening shades, and then a couple different options for shadows. I hate when you get a little palette like this and you don't have like a nice transition shade. I mean, you can really grab like your bronzer and throw that in the crease for a transition, but I really like palettes that kind of have everything that you need so you don't have to grab another one. But this one's really pretty. Packaging gets me. Like, it really does. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a matte and 1 shimmer. So I'm gonna swatch Queen. Ooh, that feels really nice. And then I'm gonna swatch that blue shade. So there is that shimmer. Wow, that looks really pretty. Went on pretty smooth. And then that blue shade, let's see. Little powdery. It looks like it'll be able to blend out really nicely, but then also build up. Let me just add a little bit more of the blue to see how it builds up. Yeah. It looks like you'd be able to build it up to like a pretty deep blue, but then it also blends out pretty nicely. So, ooh, I like that blue. It like so is not showing up the color that it is, but that's really pretty. So I will definitely be using this in an upcoming video. All of my Boxycharm stuff I try to put in my new products to test on camera. So I do feature a lot of Boxycharm products if I don't try them on in first impressions videos. So these will definitely be in one of those as well. Okay, the next thing I got, this is the Alamar Cosmetics Des-Nude-As Lip Gloss. So this retails for $15 and it is a gloss, which I've been really into glosses this summer, so I'm all about that. So it says this is a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine, full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over a new lip liner, gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, always cruelty-free. So it's a lip gloss, but it says that it has good pigment, which I noticed when I pulled it out, it looks very sticky, but I'm just gonna swatch this probably right here. Oh. Okay, I'm like obsessed with that shade. Oh, that's gonna be my jam this summer. Put that over any nude. I mean, it could go over a darker nude. It looks so pretty. It'd go over anything. The last thing that I see in here, this is the Appeal Gel Liner. Cool. Maybe I'll put this up on my waterline and just test it out. So, line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. Oh, so you can use it on your lips or your eyes. This retails for $21, which is the same price that I paid for the box. Let's see. So this looks like a deep green shade. Yeah, this is in the shade Forest Green. So I'll put it on my waterline just because I want to see. I'm always looking for good gel liners. I really love the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencils. Those are my favorite like pencil liners. So this is what it, oh my gosh, my hair looks so frizzy. This is like third day curls. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So that is what it looks like. It's a very deep green. It's really pretty, but it was really hard to swatch. Look how good those swatches are. I'm just gonna add this. Ooh. Okay. So it went on super easy. Oh, I like that color. That's pretty. Okay. I will definitely update you guys on if this wears off. I swear every liner wears off my waterline, but that's fine. Also, I was kind of thinking of switching up my unboxings and doing an unboxing slash overview of last month's box. So like next month when I do my August unboxing, I will bring all of my July products and give you guys my thoughts on them. If you guys want to see videos like that, if you think that would be a good change from just the regular unboxing for Boxycharm, let me know if you guys want to see that. I think that it would be a good idea. Plus, it would remind me to use those products and then actually update you guys on what I think about them. So make sure to let me know in a comment down below if you guys think that sounds like a good idea. So all the products in this box added up to over $130 worth of products, which is crazy. I love Boxycharm so much. If you guys have not tried it yet, I highly suggest it. It is such a good subscription box. It's seriously so good for testing new products, finding new brands, finding new products you maybe would never try before, like cream products. It also is an amazing way to spend a small amount of money and get like a bang for your buck, get a decent amount of products to test out. I also think that this is the perfect subscription box. If you're trying to build and grow your collection, I would definitely suggest it. $21, you always get over $100 worth of products. They are always full size and very much worth it. I love Boxycharm so much. I've been getting it for years and I always look forward to it every month. Okay guys, so that was everything for this unboxing. Let me know if you guys want to see an unboxing slash update in the next Boxycharm unboxing video, what you guys think about that idea. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm. So this is the